If you're thinking about changing out a light fixture in your home, I'm going to show you how to do it in 15 minutes. Now, before you do any electrical work in and around your home, you got to make sure that the power is off and, more specifically, the breaker that feeds this. So you want to leave the light on and go down to the breaker box and shut them off until you see nothing on. That way you know that this circuit is dead and you can work on it. Now, typically what you'll find is there's a box here, and there's wires inside this if you take an existing fixture out. Traditionally, they're black and white wires, the hot and the neutral. Then when you buy a new fixture, whatever it is that you purchase, you're going to see that there are wires on the back, typically black and white. So now you take the corresponding wires and you're going to put them together. So black on black, white on white. This circuit is off, remember? So I'm going to twist this around by hand, lining up the wires, and then I'm going to take the wire nuts that come with the fixture and tighten these on. This joins the wires together and makes a nice contact. Black, and now the white. Twist it around. Wire nut. You're going to take this wire and you're going to gently put it back inside the box. Once it's in place, you're going to make this connection and get these holes to go through these screws. Now that's snug. Take a screwdriver, tighten these screws just a little bit. Then after that, the light bulb goes on, the lens cover can go on. Tighten that up, go hit the breaker, hit the switch. You did it. Look at that. You're like a little mini electrician, and you did it in 15 minutes.